How to sharpen photos.
I have downloaded Taylor Swift image to show you how to convert this image. Now if I go closer to the image, you can see the image pixels are breaking. So now I will show you the tricks to make it a high resolution. First, I will show you the normal settings that you can use, but you will not get the result you want. And then I will show the hidden trick that you can use to convert the low resolution image into high resolution. Zoom out. First, go to Image, Image Size. Now if you see the settings here. First, increase resolution 300. Then increase the width value 3000. Now preview the image in the preview box. You can see the before and the after one. But we are not getting the result that we want to get. If you change the resamples into any of this preset, you will not get the desired output that you are looking for. Cancel that. Now, I will show you the hidden trick. Go to Edit, then Preferences, and Technology Preview. Then enable the Preserve Details 2.0 upscale. Hit OK. And now if you go to Image, Image Size. Now resize the image. Take the resolution 300 and take width 3000 pixels. See the preview in the box. Now if you again try different resamples, you will not get the perfect image that you are looking for. Change the resample into Preserve Details 2.0. Now you can also reduce the noise a little bit. Adjust and see which amount is perfect for your image. And then hit OK. Then we are going to apply the next simple 3 steps to finish the editing. Go to Filter, Sharpen. And on Sharpen Mask, adjust it a little bit, and give sharpening to the model. And the third steps, press Ctrl or Command plus J to make a duplicate layer. And then go to Filter, Blur, and take Surface Blur. Adjust and give a little smoothness to the model skin. And then for the last and fourth steps is to apply high pass to the model. Again make a duplicate layer. Go to Filter, High Pass, and now take a perfect amount that will show only the edges of the Taylor Swift image. Don't go with too much or very low. Hit OK. Now change the blending mode into overlay, but you can also try out with soft light, but I will go with overlay. Now in the last, we will apply the high pass only to the certain area of Taylor Swift. Press Alt or Options, and then apply a negative mask to the layer. Take the brush tool, make sure the foreground color is white, and then apply the effect the area you like to. Now we are done.
First of all, let's observe this photo. Her face is a little blurry. The details of the eyes and skin are not very clear. Next, we will use VanceAI to make this photo clearer. But today we are not using the image enlarger function, but the sharpener. First, go to the official page of VanceAI. We can see that in the menu bar, there are a total of 19 functions that can be freely selected. Generally speaking, to enlarge the photo we use the Enlarge function. But since this one is a portrait photo with a very prominent face, we adopted the Sharpener function. Use AI technology to accurately locate the face and make it clear. This is the entire interface, including various feature introductions, user comments, and the latest updated articles. You can click to view if necessary. Now we use the Sharpener function to enter the page, we can see an Upload Image button. Click this button or drag the image directly to the web page. We see that there are a few options to choose from depending on your needs. Because this photo is more of a portrait, we choose Portrait. Then click Start to process. Now we can see that VanceAI is uploading and processing this photo. After a few seconds, we click on the Preview function. We can see a very big change in this photo. Zooming in, you can clearly see the difference between the two photos, especially on the face. The AI captures the face accurately and clearly processes the contours of the face, eyes, and hair. The difference between the two photos is very obvious. Next, we need to click the Download Image button to save this photo. The whole process only took less than 1 minute. Which way do you like better? Let me know in the comment section.